Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Debangini Gogo. So I hope you all are doing well and good. And this video is going to be our random vlog. So I haven't been posting anything, so I thought that I would give an update about me. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Hi guys, good morning. So ripped on my sleep schedule because I woke up at 11 and it's currently 11:13. So yes, fresh होने जा रही हूँ. You never call my telephone, but you know I broke the loan. What is it you're holding on to? Because there's something wrong. I understand that you may never want me close, but understand that. Hey guys, मैं नहा के आ गई and now I'll be getting ready. And then मैं कहाँ जाऊँगी मैं दिखाती हूँ. To hide it, I need someone to confide in. Don't let me stow it away, cause I can barely fight it. It's a constant ache when I'm reminded that you never call my telephone, but you know I broke the loan. What is it you're holding on to? Because there's something wrong. I understand that you may never want me close, but understand that I need you the most to spread my love along your part. So please tread softly. Please tell me you won't.
December never ends, I would die a happy man under all the lights with you this Christmas evening. And if the streets stayed frozen white in this moment, frozen time, we'll never say goodbye again if December never ends.
I reached room, so मैं रूम पहुंच गई एंड मैं एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी जहाँ पे वो इवेंटाइन हो रहा है आज वहाँ पे मैं फिर से जाऊँगी. सो अभी मैं सोऊंगी, देन उठ के थोड़ा सा फ्रेश होके फिर जाऊँगी. Hi everyone, hello again. So I just woke up now. It's currently it's currently 5:16. So yes, I washed my face and all the makeup. Now I'll be getting ready. और वहाँ पे कौन आने वाला है वो सब मैं दिखाऊंगी. So first of all, let's get ready.